Okay, so here's the first test of the Sax valve motion working. Um, as you can see, there's a huge gap in here that I'm filling in with plastic and whatnot. The one thing about this is the tolerances inside this head are ridiculously tight. To do the gyro, to do the Sax valves, the radars, and the wig wags is just tight as can be. I don't even know how I'm going to get them all in there, to be honest with you. Right now they're separate, so it's easy, but once I get them in there, I get a lot of trimming and dremling to get it to fit right. And so far everything fits fine except for the wig wags, the little flipper things. They're too big, so I have to cut back really, really tight to the mechanism itself, and the mechanism will probably be somewhat exposed from the inside. But we'll see what that is. Anyway, the other thing I noticed also was uh, the Sax valves themselves, the length on the part that hinges where the cams hit is super duper 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 touchy. If it's too long, it binds. If it's too short, it doesn't catch it. It is really something you have to really play with. But this is what I got so far as it's rotating. So you can see it kind of goes off to the side a little bit. So I'm probably going to have to put some kind of a I'm not really sure what you would call it, probably spacer or shim or something like that, so that they'll actually go up and down straight. They won't go off to the side like that. Plus also I've got them laying on their back. If they were in the front, they probably would be a lot better. But I'm not ready to put it on the front yet because I have other things I'm working on at the same time. But as you can see, the cams are actually working and they're doing their thing. So now I don't know if the motor needs to be a little bit faster. So it goes I don't know. That's something I'll play with. Once I figured out how to get this thing to work nice and smooth, then I can play with tolerances and stuff like that. Anyway, just wanted to show you guys. So end of video. Happy printing.